If you're watching this video, you probably are stranded outside and you need to get into your Lexus vehicle, but your remote isn't working. Today we're going to show you how to use your remote without the transmitter to get into your car. So you've got your key remote here and you need to get into the vehicle. But as you can see on the outside of the door handle, there's nowhere to put the key. So what we're going to show you is how to get into the car. So first you're going to want to press the key button on the remote to remove the key shank from the actual key fob. From there you're going to pull your door open, and as you can see there's going to be a little slot on the underside of the handle. You're going to insert your key and then turn the key to unlock the vehicle. Now that you're inside of the car, when you try to start it, there's going to be a message on your dashboard that says press brake pedal and touch engine switch with key. This means that your key fob battery is not allowing it to read with the car. What you're going to want to do is put your foot on the brake, push your key fob right up to your push to start button, and then you can press the button to start the car. So you're in your car now, you got it started, but you still have a dead key fob battery. So I'm going to show you how to open it and replace your key fob battery right now. You're going to want to do the same thing you did to get inside of the vehicle. Push the key button on the side of the key fob, remove the key shank, and then you're going to see an indent on the inside of where the key shank was. You're going to want to put the key shank into that slot, pry it open, and then you're left with the inside of the key. From there, you'll see a 3-volt battery, and you can just pry it out and replace it with a new one. So we just showed you how to access your vehicle, start it, and replace your key fob battery. If you're still having problems starting your vehicle, call the service department at Performance Lexus of Northern Kentucky.